Hello, good morning, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you more about pigs. Isn't she beautiful? She's about to deliver. Okay, I'm going to show you more about the pigs and how we keep them, how many there are. Feel free to ask questions, okay? So I'm heading there. We covered them with the white polythene because it's raining. Hi. Okay. I'll start by the four. We have four of them here. There are four here. Okay, let me use the other door. So the first step is you open the initial door. The first door have four pigs. Hello, piggy piggy. We have a male one and four ladies. They are about to conceive. So this one gave birth last. She has almost 2 months, so she's ready to mingle. Okay. After this, okay. Okay, next step, next room. I'll go to the other side. These are ladies who are almost giving birth. We go here. Hello, lady. They are beautiful. There are three of them. 3 ladies almost giving birth. You see? They're almost giving birth. There are 3 of them. As you can see. Hello, baby. They are turning. So this room is for those who are about to give birth. Okay, they have, let's say, 2 weeks so that they can give birth. Bye bye. I miss you. Okay. The next room is for a beautiful lady. A very beautiful queen. She's almost giving birth. She has almost 24 hours so that she can give birth. Yeah, you can see she's tired. Yeah, she's sleeping. I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. I'm waiting to see if they can keep. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on. Yeah, really. Just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling. Just loving this moment. Can we stay? She has almost 24 hours so that she can deliver. I wish you safe delivery, piggy. Okay, the next room are for 2 months old pig. Hello. They vary in size because someone is a bully here. How are you today? How are you? They are 16 in number. Kindly
ask any question and subscribe to their YouTube channel. Support the piggy. Hello, piggy. Tomorrow I'll show you the difference between a male pig. How do you call a male pig? You nosy. So they are a mix of 2.5 months and 2 months. This one is 2.5 months, and then this little guy here. Wow, you're grown. She's
and I can't help but feeling just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever.
Now.
Forever.
Good food delivered barely almost.
I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever.
Mommy, bye.
Forever.
We're going to another mother.
I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
What's it like to be the one that he comes to when he wants to dance? And I wonder what's that like?
What's up?